Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to prepare green chili powder, only way. Wash chilies thoroughly, dry them on a clean towel, and remove stems with a sharp knife while wearing gloves. Slice chilies in half if you prefer faster drying, and spread them evenly on a tray for consistent airflow. Keep a small fan nearby to speed drying if needed and avoid direct sunlight to preserve color and flavor. Use a method that fits your schedule and climate. Sun, oven, or dehydrator all work well. For oven drying, set a low temperature and keep the door slightly ajar for airflow. With a dehydrator, arrange pieces in a single layer and check periodically until they snap. Rotate trays if your device has hot spots. Properly dried chilies must be brittle, indicating all moisture is gone before grinding to powder. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes and spice books on the go a breeze, and it fits nicely on the kitchen counter while you prep. It's bright enough for daylight and comfy for late-night recipe hunting. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Allow dried chilies to cool before grinding to prevent steam buildup. Pulse in short bursts and sift to get a consistent powder, regrinding larger pieces as needed. Add a pinch of salt or roasted cumin for a blended flavor, if desired. Label jars with the date and variety for future reference, and always use a dry spoon to avoid introducing moisture that can ruin the powder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.